Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to open up the November IPSY bag. I don't know about where you guys live, but where we live it's 80 degrees. It doesn't feel at all like November. Let me know in the comments below what the temperature is where you live and tell me if it's hotter or colder than normal. Here we go. This is a makeup brush that I picked out of the you can pick one item department. And the reason why I picked this is because everything else was like stuff that I don't need or want. And as you know, the more brushes you have, the better. And it feels very soft. It's from YC Collection, and that is all I know. It's really, really soft. And now for the other reveal, we have this cute little bag. You know what? I think this is October. I don't think this is November. Halloween. Halloween. Ready to look drop dead gorgeous this month? Yep, October bag. I like the inside, it's got purple. It's one of my favorite colors. Uh-oh, this is already opened. It has a little safety cap over it, so I'm not too worried. It is called Feel, F-E-E-L, Vitamin E Balm, and that is all I know. So I guess this is like, if you've had a bad day and you want to put some vitamin E on your face, you put it on your face. Using vitamin E on your face is very good for you. I use so many products on my face, I have no idea what's in them at this point. All right, the next thing is, okay, this is in Greek. How do I know that? Because I know. It's from Chorus. Oh yeah, Greek yogurt. Oh look, it's in English on the other side, and it's still Greek yogurt. Probiotic Superdose Face Mask. Probiotic is good for like acne and hormonal changes, and I think that's like if you're having like the season change and your skin starts breaking out, this is a good time to use a probiotic mask. And I think that they're using probiotics in a lot of products now. Ooh, there's something in here and it's purple. Elf. Big Mood Mega Volume and Lifting Mascara. Hourglass Brush. So I have my favorite mascaras at this point where I don't really need to try any new mascaras because I like what I like. So I'm gonna add this to one of the grab bags, and you might be a lucky winner when I get 500 subscribers. I am almost there. So keep hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you might be able to be one of the winners. Yay! All right, last thing, Ciate or Ciate. I always have a problem pronouncing this product. I don't know what it is. Hold on, let's see. Metallic eyeshadow. Ooh, I like metallic eyeshadow. It's fun for like the holidays. I have to remember this is October. I don't know what's up with me and my bags lately. They seem to be all over the place. All right, I'm just gonna rip this open because I can't seem to like get it out like a civilized human. Why? It's just cardboard. It shouldn't be that hard. All right, I like the color of this little doodad. It matches my shirt. All right, it's kind of like a peach color. And I'm going to actually give this to somebody I know who would appreciate this color because I know that's not gonna look good against my skin tone. Fun. I'm not gonna try it either because I don't wanna like... So how did you like my November or October IPSY bag? Obviously it's October. I don't know what happened to November. It might be my September bag, but who knows? Thanks for watching and hope to see you next time. Bye.